Okay, what's up everybody? Today is another video with my friend Anal. Today we're going to be talking about smoke alarms. Smoke alarms is in pretty much every home across the US. And you're supposed to keep one in every room of the house, including outside of every room, and keep one in every room, including bathrooms. And you get started. But on the things up, you need to push the test button. I'll give you a little sample right now. It's supposed to make a little 3 beeping sounds and quit. I did a little sample out there. And I did quit fast. I stopped fast because I don't want to wake up my family right now. So, you're supposed to check the battery. You need to at least keep this at least 5 to 10 feet. Not that. 10 feet or at least 6 feet. 7 feet. Or at least keep it on the roof. Or not the ceiling. And keep on the wall. Or if it's high enough. Keep the battery in. You need to make sure the CO common dioxide and smoke. By the time you get it that, you need to test it as soon as you get installed. Put the battery in that, then use 6-9. Where did he go? So, you gotta replace the battery. Okay. I want to do this video in peace, but every time I start a video, my parents want to bother me. Now, when you gotta press the test button every month. And if it doesn't make the beeping sound after 5 to 10 seconds of the person, replace the battery. And if that doesn't work, replace the smoke alarm or the entire system if it is hardwired. Replace the battery test it every month. Replace the battery every year, and replace the whole entire system every 10 years after date of manufacture. I have 3 of them here. This one here says January 14th, 2022. This one here says December 13th, 2021. This one here, December 13th. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, you need to get, when you guys go to this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And